Okay, mate, g'day. Alright, so just got a couple of questions on how this process works, logic-wise. As you'll see by my notes, just have a few questions in regards to how it works. It doesn't seem to be graying out the options when they're not big enough. So let's just go through this process here quickly and show you what I mean. Okay, so let's just do a reasonable size, 24 square meters. Okay, so as you'll see in my notes, according to the way I've set it up in the back end, 24 square meters should only support systems up to 2 kilowatts, given that a 2.5 would be 24 meters squared it requires. So on the next screen, it should come up with the 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 and so on, all options grayed out. So let's go to the next step, and it doesn't have that. Okay, it also doesn't pre-select an option for us, which is what it should do. Ideally it should select the highest option that will fit on that roof, because you want to try and sell the largest system, but all the rest should be grayed out, but it doesn't do that. So I just want to find out how that logic's working. Because if I just go back a step, so let's just call this method 1. So doing it method 1 way, the way that it should work, that's what it should happen, and it should come up with options, but it doesn't. But let's just try method 2. So method 2, let's try a roof size smaller than what I've set in the admin for assist roof size to be. So let's just re-enter this in. And we'll do it again. We'll go for a roof size smaller than 15 square meters because so let's go, alright, 7, perfect. So we know that no system should fit on that roof. So an error message should pop up, as I say in my notes, but also on the next screen, obviously, no option should be valid, but let's just see what happens. So to go to the next screen, and all of a sudden, it does come up with an option, the 1.5. So, hence you see why I'm asking how does this logic work? So it seems to be working in reverse to me, whereas in this option, no option should come up, but an option does. Whereas in method 1 that I just showed you before, where an option should come up, it doesn't, but it should actually pop up like this, but it should be the 2.5 of course. So just tell me how this logic works, look into that, find if it's just not working properly and get back to me. And then also tell me how it loads this information, because it's going to be different on what it loads for each system. So I need to know where this data is pulled, that it loads from. Okay, so just let me know that answer. Thank you.